Good evening, friends, my subscribers, my students. I greet you all. Today is Sunday, the 30th day of April 2025. This is my weekly analysis. The time now is 9:45 West African time. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, analyzing from the land of the rising sun. I apologize for those who have been watching this video since yesterday. I have no time to do that. I'm really busy these days. And for your information, my chances of making video next weekend will likely be 10%. I don't know if I will. I have a lot in my hands. As a matter of fact, we lost two members of our family, and the funeral is scheduled on 21st of this month, Easter Monday, 22nd, 23rd for the first person, 25th, 26th, 27th. So 24th, 26th, 27th for the second person. So from weekend, I'll be busy throughout the next week. So bear with me. So let's dive into the business. As you know, we always start with DXY. As you can see, everything is going accordingly as we forecasted. So DSY is still going down. As I said earlier, DSY is going below 100. That we are going towards 90, 92, 94. If you watch my videos, maybe 6 months ago, I've been saying this. So if you don't have wave, if you don't have knowledge of wave analysis, I don't know how trading will be for you. But mind you, DSY is going to down to 96, 95, 94 before we be talking about buying again. Right now, you don't just go and begin to sell, okay? Even if uh, even if this current move keep going down, I will not sell because even if it goes down below 99, as you can see, it touched 90, 99 and go up. It will still go up, which means once you see a nice correction, then you look for sell. So Bitcoin will, sorry, that's why we either begin to sell at 100.6, 101.2, or 102. Around this zone is where we expect DSY to continue to sell. So the pullback is our opportunity to sell again. Okay, that's for DXY. The same goes for USD card. USD card, I expect it to. Sorry, I will be showing you daily because it doesn't make any meaning show you daily every week. So now, okay, let me just give you a lesson on this one. The USD card you see, this A, B, C can turn to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mind you, because the possibility of breaking this low is there. So now, but right now, expect a correction towards the upper side. So expect either we get a shallow correction to this place and sell again, or we get a bigger correction, something like this, before selling again. So what am I trying to say? The trend right now is down. So if you want to trade against the trend, be cautious, use smaller size, don't be greedy. This will surely happen. This will likely happen, but not surely, because it may first of all go down again before going up. So I will advise you to wait for it to go up, then you look for sell around here. Okay, that's for USD card. USD chef. USD chef, the same thing. USD allow it to give us a buy. After the buy, we begin to sell again. So now this 4-hour chart, even the daily, they are all saying the same thing. After a big drop, it will buy. After the buy, it needs to continue to sell. USD still have a long way to go. Still have a long way to go. Let me show you weekly chart. So we are still going very down 0.75, 0.76. But right now, allow it to give us to buy. The buying will be a correction before we sell again. That's for USD. Euro USD, the same situation, nothing has changed. The market is going up. The target is towards 1.2, 1.23, 1.24 or thereabouts. So this box is our next target. But before that, we expect it to give us a correction to sell. So probably we are going to get the complete structure of wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, and 5. Then an A, B, C before the buying. So this selling will take time because it is correction. Though it may be shallow, it may be like this, it may be like this, it may take a longer time. But buying from here can give you little money, but I prefer to buy or sell where I will have a big move. So the big move we happen after we get an ABC. So we likely break this top to give us wave 5. After that, either an ABC or a single drop that will be somewhere around 1.1, 1.09 or thereabout before the next buy. Okay? Pounds JPY, the same situation. We are having we're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once we get this, I would like to buy this. If I get a nice setup here, I will buy. After the buy, I will sell again. Because after buy, it will sell something reasonable before buying again. Meanwhile, expect it to break this top when this buy will start. Okay, so that's for pounds USD. AUD USD. AUD USD expected to drop. The dropping may start immediately the market open, or it may just open with a gap, or maybe something, it may flash, break this high before it will give us an ABC, before it will buy again. The market is buying, I think I mentioned that it was lagging some time ago. Before this sharp drop, on my last video, I was a kind of worried Euro USD is going up, Pound USD is going up, but they are lagging. Right after they drop very sharp and turn back very sharp. So right now, I don't expect anything but buying. That's for AUD USD. So whenever the price give me a nice correction, I will buy again. New Zealand USD, the Kiwi, the same thing, expect it to break this high, then drop and buy again. Okay? So both of them always go the same situation, direction. AUD USD, New Zealand USD, they go the same direction. Now, JPY basket, let me show you the daily chart again for those who started to watch my video today. JPY basket has given us an ABC, which is W, then A, B, C, which is X. Then with Y, we drop. So with why we drop, I don't know. I don't see anything that will make it not drop. It will likely drop, except this is all the correction. Then this can be a kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leading the diagonal, which is with 1, then an ABC. In that case, a little below this place can be all the selling we are expecting. Then it will buy again. But if it is this if it is this W X Y, it will either give us running flat, which is somewhere here, it go up, or it will give us a normal correction, expanding flat, sorry, zigzag, then goes up again. So that's what I'm expecting. Let's go to 4 hours and 1 hour. So right now, expect it to drop before buying again. Not too much to explain on this one. Even the 1 hour chart and 4 hours, the same thing. Expect it A, B, C to drop before it will buy again. That's for JPY basket. Which one? I don't want to talk about it. USJPY, I expect it to buy. After buying, let me check daily, it will drop again. So from my own calculation and my knowledge on wave analysis, this is the structure I'm looking for. This big A, B, C. So how we need to get here, we go back to 1 hour to help us to know how to get there. So for now, after this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we expect an A, B, C before the selling will start again. Okay. So meanwhile, we may get a double correction, which we will see this very pair go up again before dropping. That's for USJPY, Euro JPY. Okay, pounds JPY. This one, nothing much to explain other than I am expecting this to happen, drop, and buy again before selling. Okay, Euro JPY, the same thing, a move up, correction, another move up, a move up, correction, another move up before the big selling again. Maybe I should show you the daily chart again for you to know where we are going. So we are going towards 167.7, 169, or even 170 before the dropping. Okay, so let me show you pounds JPY. This is what we're expecting. So towards 200, 201, 202, even 205. After that, a big drop will happen. So let me show you the structure we are looking at so that we know where we are heading to. Gold. Gold is buying. So when should you join the buyers? Allow me to give us correction. Meanwhile, these days, most of the time, gold will make a single drop and begin to buy again. So you may not see this thing I'm showing you. But if gold drops to 3,140, 3,108, then you may not see it doing something like this again. It may just begin, it may drop like this. I'm going to buy again. So it has done this so many places. It may do it again. That's for gold. Silver, the same thing. Silver. Silver and gold, sometimes they move separately. But at the end of the day, they will still go the same direction. So silver seems to be making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if my assumption is correct, it means we will see a little move back and then another buy towards 33.4 or even 33.8 before a normal correction will occur and another buy will occur. So silver is buy, gold is buy. No, gold we sell. I will likely sell gold and leave silver. But before you buy or sell, make sure you have a nice sell setup, a nice buy setup before you buy and sell. Okay. Platinum, platinum uh, is going up. It seems it's making it's going up, but not impulsively. We may keep seeing something like this, something like this, something like this, some another big drop before it will buy again. So for now, I don't trade platinum for now due to the structure it is making. I prefer to trade those that are less complex. So platinum, I leave it for now. Let's go to US oil. US oil, since last year, I've been selling oil and I've been showing that oil will continue to sell. Right now, oil has made a nice structure. You can see this structure is a nice structure. So, and remember, I said that oil will go below 60 or even below 40. So right now, oil may have finished going down. Oil may still go down. But what matters is where and where will you make money. Simple. Whether it will go to 40, for now, it doesn't matter. So for now, where the money is that oil will buy towards 67, 68, 69, or even 70. After the buying, oil will either drop as correction or drop as an impulse. If it drop as an impulse, then it may now go to 50 or even below 50. So for now, you may focus on buy. And as a matter of fact, if you are not yeah. If you are not if this is not much for you, you can buy oil because you may not get another move down. But the stop loss is somehow far. I don't like trading where stop loss is far. Or maybe you still go down to 15 minutes to look for an entry that will give you smaller stop loss. But for now, oil is buying, and the buying will likely continue for some days before it will sell again. Uh, and okay, let me also show you. Okay, I will end this analysis here. But before that, let me show you Bitcoin. Sorry, I will show you US 100, US 30, SP 500 for a reason. So let me show you only Bitcoin and I will conclude the video till anytime I have time. Okay, so now remember Bitcoin, I've been saying that Bitcoin have not finished going up, that we will still get a new high. That's my view on Bitcoin. But the problem remains now that it is correcting, where are we expecting it to stop the correction? Where will the correction end? Okay. So as you are looking at this very chart, uh, it seems the correction is over. Okay. So now, how are we going to be certain that the correction is over? Now, this is what we call leading diagonal. Okay, we can see Bitcoin is dropping. If the dropping doesn't become an impulse move, that is, if the dropping doesn't make a sharp move again, breaking this low, it means that the leading diagonal assumption is correct. In that case, this is wave 1 and this is wave 2. Then you will see a sharp move up. So let's keep watching how this dropping will end on Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin haven't finished the business it has in the north. So it's still going up to the north to finish the business. before the selling will continue. So allow it to drop to this zone. Look for buy setup around here. Meanwhile, it can equally give us A, B, C before buying. That is, I mean, a bigger ABC, because right now it seems it will make an ABC as an impulse move, a kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A, B, C, then drop again before buying. It can make a bigger one. Then you see it doing this before buying. So in all this, if it comes to this zone, I will look for buy setup. If you don't know what buy setup is, at the bio of this video, you will see my phone number. The number is on WhatsApp. The number is on Telegram. I'm a mentor. I didn't say it in the beginning. I have mentorship program on trading analysis. When you join my mentorship program, you'll be learning and making money because I share trade setups from time to time. I share it always, so you'll be making money as you are learning, as you are trading. So when you join us, I will show you what buy setup is, what sell setup is, so that you not be trading blindly or trading with a large stop loss. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Like the video, share it, ask questions if you have any. Thank you.